In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Squarespace in just a few minutes. It's a simple process that anyone can follow, even if you're new to the platform. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the official Squarespace website and log into your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, take a moment to do so, as you'll need access to your dashboard. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, and if you've forgotten your password, follow the prompts on the login page to reset it. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Squarespace dashboard. Take a look at the left-hand menu, where you'll see various options available to manage your site. From here, you're going to locate and click on the Pages option. This is where you'll find the list of all the pages you've created for your website. Now that you're in the Pages panel, it's time to find the specific page you want to duplicate. Take a moment to scroll through your list of pages until you spot the one that needs duplicating. Once you've located it, focus your attention on the right side of the page name. You should notice a gear icon, or sometimes 3 little dots, depending on your interface. Go ahead and click on this icon to access the page settings. With the settings dialog now open, scroll down a bit to find the Duplicate Page button. It might seem like a small step, but it's crucial in this process. Clicking this button is what initiates the duplication, setting you on your way to having a copy of your original page. Upon clicking the duplicate button, you will see a confirmation message pop up. This message is just a way for Squarespace to ensure that you truly want to proceed. When you're ready, confirm your choice by clicking the Confirm button. Once confirmed, you'll notice that a new page has appeared in your list, named Original Page Name, Copy. This duplicated page can now be renamed to better reflect its new purpose, whether it's a slight variation of the original or a completely new idea built on the same foundation. You can do this by simply clicking on the page name and editing it to your desired title, and there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully duplicated a page in Squarespace, opening up new possibilities for content on your website. If you're happy with the new page, take a moment to explore further customization or even dive into other features Squarespace has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy creating.